You gonna be cool if I go? No parties, okay? Okay, you can have a small party. Understood? No? What do you think? You're just probably gonna sleep the whole time though, right? So we're heading downtown to Foot Locker today to pick up the Chicago 3s, the Unite Chicago whatever things. They're not for me. I'm picking them up for a friend. But we're gonna do it together as a team. So let's go. Okay, mission accomplished, obviously. So these are going to my buddy the Goose. So let's take him inside and let's check him out. It's probably the exact same Unite 3s that came out, just with a different heel tab, I'm sure. But whatever, it's content. Thanks for going on that tiny little journey with me. Let's take a look at those red Chicagos. So you can see the box is a little bit different. Let's open it up. There's different paper too, so that's pretty cool. And there it is. There's two lace bags attached to a 3, which is pretty weird. The leather is pretty tumbled. It's okay. I mean, that's the biggest difference right there, is the shy on the heel tab. But there's also a little bit of a difference if you look inside. No, we're not gonna do this one. Let's grab the other shoe. So if you look in the inside, on the insole of this one, it says Nike Shy as well. So that's pretty cool, but basically, it's the Unites with just those two little things added onto them. So I mean, it's a cool shoe. That pair is actually, I picked up for the Goose and then we sent it to somebody else. But that was pretty cool. So that's the journey I took downtown to go get the red 3s at Foot Locker. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SBmitch. Sucks for you. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And below that is my website, SBmitch.com. That's where you can find most of the shoes that I pull out of beater boxes for sale right meow. Hi, pals. So we went downtown to grab those red cement or Unite 3s, whatever they're called. We are doing a giveaway. There's a giveaway going on, which I will announce at the end of the video, so you want to check that out. But first, as you can tell from the thumbnail, that is not the reason why we are here. We are here to talk about and look at these. This is the Strangelove Skateboards Dunk SB Low collaboration. Very interesting. Let's take a closer look right now. So as you can tell just by looking at the dang things, there's a lot of materials going on here. A lot of premium materials that you're not used to seeing on any SB release, if you want to be honest. So we'll start at the Vamp. So the Vamp is this really just shiny crushed velvet. The velvet continues all the way, even the piping around the tongue. You got Nike SB branding and Strangelove branding on the actual tag. Red stock SB laces that go into these eyelets that are made of suede, along with the mud guard and the ankle. You see this bright red swoosh, also velvet, comes around. Right below the swoosh on the heel is this little stitched skull with a heart on it. Very Valentine's Day themed. The ankle is velvet. The tab on the back is velvet. Even the entire liner is the darker red velvet that you see on the swoosh. You can see on the laces also, you have Strangelove branding, which is a very nice touch. Pull out the insole. You can see this nice art designed by Sean Cliver on the insole, Nike SB branding, and then Zoom Air and padding on the forefoot. The extra laces on the right shoe, you can see it's this kind of like gradient looking type, Valentine's Day themed, and there's also white laces in the lace bags. Take a look at the midsole, white midsole with pink stitching, and this kind of clearish outsole that's tinted pink with these little hearts that are underneath in both blue and red. I mean, the details of this shoe are very cool. I can honestly see now why people were absolutely freaking out about this shoe. While I'm not a huge fan of the colorway and the materials myself, I mean, who's gonna wear this in warm climate? Your feet are gonna sweat and smell so bad. And there's velvet on the interior liner. These are probably terrible for skating because you do one kick flip and your shoes are just gonna fly off. They're nice. I mean, the tongue shape is very good. The materials are just so thoughtful and just well executed. I talked a lot of smack on this release, but man, this shoe is actually really nice. So kudos to Strangelove. Very nice job on these. Dang. If you managed to get those, you're one of the lucky few because they were just super limited, and I don't know anyone personally who hit on sneakers. So let's talk giveaway now. So as I said in the Q&A video, like last week or something like that, 2020 is the year of the giveaway. I'm trying to do as many giveaways as I can, some big, some small.
That's what she said.
Children. But this next giveaway is with someone that I truly admire as a content creator and someone else that I just met yesterday, and I'm already a fan of his channel. The giveaway is with Hegotkickz. You can check out his channel down below. He is, his name is Forrest. He's a very good dude, super positive guy. He does early looks of sneakers. He does on-foot reviews. He does a lot of really great vlogging, and he's just so positive and just such a really good dude that his videos are super informative and just really positive. So definitely check him out. And then the other person that we're doing the giveaway with is with a fella named DeVintage World. I've never checked him out before, met him for the first time yesterday on Instagram. His channel is super good, and just the amount of information for like how to get shoes, how to use the Flex app. It's just, this dude is like the Swiss Army knife of sneakers. Like, his channel covers every single base you could imagine. It's just amazing the plethora of knowledge that this guy has, that both of them have. They're very good at what they do. So what we're doing is we're giving you a chance to win a pair of size 10.5 Yecheil Yeezys. I don't even know if that's how you say it. So what you gotta do, you gotta subscribe to myself. You probably already do. You gotta subscribe to DeVintage, and you gotta subscribe to Hegotkickz, all three of us. And then you go to Hegotkickz's video, which is gonna pop up right there. Came out yesterday. You have to watch his video, you have to comment your location, and done on his video to be entered to win a pair of 10.5 Yecheil Yeezys for free, which is about how much you should spend on Yeezys. That's going on, started today, and it ends next Wednesday at midnight EST, so definitely check that out. Very humbled and honored to be involved in a giveaway with two really good content creators, so check them out. Check out their respective Instagrams too. I have them down in the video description, so that goes on until next Wednesday. Shout out Familia, shout out to the Gooser, shout out to Pancake. And tomorrow's Beater Box Friday, so be back for that. This weekend is the All-Star Weekend. I'm probably gonna link up with Seth Fowler and Tom Stefaniak. It's gonna be crazy this weekend, so hopefully I get enough stuff for you guys to enjoy watching, I guess. So maybe not, I don't know. Till next time, take care of each other, and remember to make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun and crazy fun. Okay, see ya.